Well, got another shitbox that I already destroyed right out of the trailer. Put a dent in the door, dent in the bed, frame's rotted, and I ripped the shackle mount out. Rear axle's a little crooked. Got this thing. Oh, the best part is the seat. Yeah, pillow. Got this thing for 250 bucks and a beer fridge. Got a clean title, runs and drives. Couldn't pass it up. So, last video I had mentioned we had a third what do I call it? Third package coming. You saw the one package was a Jetta, and then the other Toyota. Third package, Sarge. He moved up from Vegas so we could do more hood rat shit. And we got another shitbox to do hood rat shit with. Can't see it, but there's a jump down there. I just got this thing today and we're already gonna jump it. So stay tuned. All right, so looking at this closer, that's gonna rip right off when I land from this jump. So we got this piece of steel hooked in to the shackle, and we're gonna get this jack and jack that up, bend it, and put a bunch of self-tappers in, because that frame is shot. I want to be able to do more hood rat shit than this one jump and have it be totaled, so we're rigging it to make it work. Fucking mint. Sketch it out to get under this thing. Whack! Broke the head right off. Damn. Through that first. Through the plate. Oh. So how they're still there? Pushes the whole truck up. Heat. Yeah. Solid. Fucking man. I think that pulled the frame down instead. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, fucking shit. Oh yeah, she's fucking mint.
Ow. It's sharp.
Money. Hooked in there. Bent around. Screwed. New frame. Battery's dead, so he's gotta. I'm gonna try to bump start it, but I don't know if it's gonna work because of the fucking ice. Something's rubbing too. Oh go. Hey! What's up, guys? So, we got a light dusting of snow last night. I know I didn't do an outro yesterday after we tried jumping it. Kind of show you this. I mean, that's a big rut. Like, the snow would not pack to make a jump. And we tried using big chunks of ice that I had plowed before. So my thoughts are now we're supposed to get snow all week. So if we can come down this way, down the driveway, hook this turn just a little bit, hit that pile of snow right up there. I don't think I'll go very far. At least I'm hoping I don't go too far. But if we can hit this pile of snow right here, if I can get the tractor out and fucking make this into something, I think that'd be pretty sweet. But I also have an idea of a way to get more traction, which will probably be in the next video. But yeah, I just wanted to do an outro, kind of let you know what was going on. So obviously, I mean, that's the new shitbox. Its frame's all rotted out on it, but it runs and drives and it's clean title, so I couldn't pass up the deal. Let me get some lights on in here. But yeah, I mean, running, driving truck, couldn't complain too much about it. I mean, I'm gonna put a battery in it. Once I get the welder up and running, I'm gonna weld that piece that I screwed in. We'll weld that up, and like I said, I'm gonna make some of my own traction tires for this thing. So like I said, this was a impulse buy, just to try to keep videos out coming for you guys, since the other projects are going to be a little ways out. This will be cheap and easy and quick to do, to make some videos for you guys, keep you around. Thanks for watching.